Okay guys, this is a combo keyboard and mouse from Frontech. Model number is JIL1687. So it's a combo USB optical USB mouse and keyboard from Frontech. So let's see its build quality and working performance, all these things. So first, mouse. This is a black color. A cable length is good enough. USB interface USB 2.0. So I will test all these things to my desktop. Okay, size is good, yeah, it's medium in size, so no issue with the size. Okay, lightweight. Okay, so I'll test on my desktop. So now come to the keyboard. Okay, keyboard, I really like one thing, the multimedia keys given side. As you can see, both sides it has multimedia keys, so you can easily operate your multimedia key like this. Yeah, so it's black in color, good in design, lightweight, and the key performance, yeah, it's working nice. Cable length is good enough, and it has numerical keypad, LED indicating, all this thing. Okay, so backside there is a height adjustable given. Okay, so now it's time to attach this to my laptop or desktop, and let's see its real performance. Okay, done. First, mouse. Okay, working good but not great, yeah, because this is a budget combo more than keyboard. Okay, working fine. You can use it for your normal work but not for gaming and professional use. Yeah, working fine, no problem. Mouse is good but not for gaming, yeah, but you can do your daily talks on this keyboard and mouse, yeah, I think so. Good. I spice it's a good mouse and the keyboard, yeah. Okay, yeah, nice, working fine. So as I said, the multimedia key is given sides of keyboard to easily operate and find the exact work required key, like this volume, forward, backward, all this thing, and it's given in the different color like red color. Okay, so keypad, yeah, good. So mouse and keyboard is good as per its price tag. It's a budget keyboard and mouse, so you can work on this keyboard and mouse, but not for gaming. Okay, you can play the game, but if you're a professional gamer, then it's not for you. So overall, yeah, good. As this price tag, this is a good mouse and keyboard. So thanks for watching. For price and full specification of this product, click the link in video description. Thanks for watching. See you next video. Please like, share, and subscribe.
Please click the link in video description for latest price and full specification. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.